have control over your affiliate marketing efforts. There are many benefits to you as an affiliate when doing affiliate marketing. You take pride in your blog/website, why not earn some rewards by advertising for companies that you strongly believe in? This video will show you how to make a little money off something you already enjoy doing. When joining an affiliate marketing program, be aware of the time commitment required to see a significant return. Affiliate marketing is not a passive income source. You need to be out there actively promoting the product or service of the parent company if you want people to follow your links and buy the product. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. Look for affiliate partners that provide resources to help you advertise and sell their products. The majority of affiliate companies aren't ignorant. They will do research to know what kind of marketing will work. The better companies share that data with affiliates, so that the affiliates can customize their campaigns to sell more products and get more commissions. High traffic to your website is what affiliate marketing companies look for. The more traffic you can get to visit your page, the more apt people are to click the link and buy the products that you are featuring. To gain more traffic, you have to expose your page to as many people as possible. A great affiliate marketing tip is to try out a product that you're interested in. If you're interested in promoting a new product, you should try it out first so that you have first-hand knowledge of how it works, and you will know for sure whether promoting it will be a good move. Affiliate marketing programs that offer you a complete business, aka, a total business in a box, are to be avoided. This kind of affiliate marketing scam promises you that you don't have to do or learn anything at all. Just pay for your business and then take it easy while money flies your way. Unfortunately, the only one money will be flying to, is the one who sold you the business. You have now learned how to use your blog or website to earn a little bonus through affiliate marketing. Take these tips seriously, and you could get a nice little bonus from basically doing nothing except allowing a company to advertise. Very little work on your part, and it helps both you and the company out. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.